welcome back to my channel. I wasn't posting a lot on my YouTube channel, but today is a special day, and today we will talk about the newest Instagram update called Reels. Oh my goodness. First of all, when I opened that, I was like, this is copy paste from TikTok. But let's see the differences, let's see how to use it. So what Reels is actually, it's a video platform inside of the Instagram app. It goes from 3 to 15 seconds. If you want to try out Reels, make sure that your Instagram is updated. Once you log in into your Instagram, you go to Stories, and you'll see that Instagram Stories are a little bit different now. You have on the left side boomerang, create text, you can do layouts, hands-free filming, and all that stuff. So you'll see on the bottom where you film your story or live, you'll see Reels. 4 things on the side. You can click audio and select a song that you would like to use in your reel. You can choose what part of the song. Then you can select the speed of your video. It goes from 0.3x to 3x. Then you can use all the filters you want from your stories or saved ones, or you can even search for the new ones here. And of course, you can use timer to start filming your video. And then also, if you like transitions, then you can select this little here, and you can actually see where you filmed before and do your transitions correctly, and they're gonna look perfect. That's one thing that TikTok doesn't have at the moment, and it's very good for people that are actually into transitions. You can also zoom in with your thumb going up and down. You can also upload media from your phone into Reels. Of course, it's gonna be up to 15 seconds, but yes, you can do that. So once you're done with filming your reel, you can go next. You can actually review by tapping left or right and review your clips. You can make them shorter or longer. The only thing, you can't actually edit clips that were filmed first, only the last one. Also, once you're finished with your reel, you can click next, and there you can use these extra features like GIFs, all these things that we usually use on Insta Stories. The only thing you actually can't use is polls or questions, and you can also use this tool. You can also add some text, and as you can see, Instagram updated fonts, so that's cool too. You can put that in. You can also color the whole screen by holding on the whole screen with your finger, and then this tool, and then you can also create that effect. Once you're done with editing or whatever you wanted to do, you go next, and then you can actually select where do you want to post, on your Reels section or in your stories. And you can also write captions there, and also you can share it on your feed or not. So once people are on your profile, they can actually see your Reels videos on your feed or not, depends what you select. Also, this is how it looks on your explore page. You will see this little Reels icon in the left corner. You click on it, and then you get into, like, I would say, For You page of Reels, and you can find different creators and different Reels videos on it. And yes, that's how it looks. And that was it. Quick little video of how to use Reels. As we know, Reels launched on 5th of August here in Australia on Instagram, and when I woke up this morning I saw this mad update, and I was like, this looks so good. I don't know, if you're familiar with TikTok, you'll know what to do. It's very, very similar. Like I said, there is a few little differences, as like you can use that align tool if you're doing transitions, or videos, for example, on TikTok can go up to 60 seconds. Here they can be up to 15 seconds, but I'm sure Instagram will update I think this is a great update on Instagram, and I'm sure I'm gonna use it. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this? I remember when Instagram introduced stories and literally took over Snapchat. So Instagram is trying really hard to stay #1 platform, and I think this is a great step to actually take over, because TikTok is one of the biggest apps at the moment, and I think this update will help Instagram to stay #1 platform. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope I helped you a little bit if you didn't understand what Reels is. Like I said, we're all learning. I'm learning still. This is the first day of Reels in Australia. Like I said, I'll use it 100% and just play with it. It's fun, and I think it's a great little update. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.